Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 94A Armadale Road in Rivervale, where you're getting yourself a rear and private home that's been architecturally designed with vaulted ceilings, plenty of light throughout, and two huge 8x3 plus bedrooms. And also we've got the beautiful leafy green country garden out the back as well. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your tour of 94A Armadale Road in Rivervale. As you can see, you're getting a unique architecturally designed home, and it's a rear home, but you don't have to compromise on the leafy backyard. For more details about property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.